don't know. I let Cheryl drive this god doggone ham sandwich car. And she done tore my car up. George, I told you, stop letting Cheryl drive your car. I told you this. I told you. I think it's the starter. I think it's the starter part. I told you. Listen, let me tell you something. It sounds like it's the carburetor. I can fix that. I can fix it. You know these women can't drive. I told you, Cheryl, do not drive. You know what? Give me $50 and some thumbtacks. I'm gonna jack this thing up and I'm gonna have you out of there. 2 days. 2 days. I'm telling you, I drive. You know what? She gonna pay for this. She gonna pay. Get this. Got you, George.